Welcome to Guided Meditations with Life Coach Craig. I am grateful you are here, taking this time to pause, to breathe, and to reconnect with yourself. Each meditation is designed to support you in finding calm, presence, and gentle awareness, one breath at a time. Begin by finding a comfortable position, seated or lying down, somewhere you can completely let go. Allow your breath to soften and slow. With each exhale, release a bit more of the day. Feel the shoulders drop. Let the eyes rest. Let the mind begin to quiet. Take a slow breath in through the nose and exhale gently through the mouth. Each breath inviting peace, each exhale letting go of what you no longer need. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a soft golden light resting there. Warm, comforting, peaceful. With every breath, that light slowly expands, flowing down through your forehead, over your eyes, softening your temples and cheeks. Feel it move down your neck and shoulders, melting away tension. Down your arms and hands and out through your fingertips. Now the light travels through your chest, your heart, your back, your abdomen. Let it flow through your hips and legs, your knees, your calves, and all the way down to the soles of your feet. You are surrounded by warmth and calm, safe, supported, home. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine yourself standing before a doorway, the entrance to your own inner sanctuary. This place belongs entirely to you. Step inside. Notice what appears. Perhaps it's a quiet forest, soft moss beneath your feet, light streaming gently through the trees. Maybe you're near the ocean, listening to the waves roll in and out, the air cool and cleansing against your skin. You might see a sunlit meadow, a peaceful garden, or even a softly glowing space made of light itself, a sanctuary of presence and peace. Wherever your heart leads you, trust it. This is your safe place, your refuge within. Take a moment to settle there. Notice the colors, the air, the subtle sounds around you. Everything here exists to comfort you, to remind you that peace lives within. Now that you are fully at ease within your sanctuary, begin to turn your awareness inward toward the landscape of your own emotions. Emotions are a part of being human. They move through us like the weather, each with its own rhythm, its own place within the body. Let's explore gently and without judgment. Take a slow, deep breath and invite the feeling of pride to arise. Notice where it lives within you. Does it rest in your chest, a gentle lift of the heart? Or perhaps in your spine, a quiet strength and uprightness? Now, breathe into the feeling of excitement. Where does that live? Maybe a flutter in the belly, a lightness around the heart, a sparkle of energy moving through you. Next, bring awareness to amusement. A smile might form. A warmth may spread through your face or chest. Notice the ease this emotion carries, how it softens the edges of the moment. Now, invite gratitude. Where do you feel it the most? In the heart? In the palms of your hands? Perhaps as a quiet warmth spreading outward through your whole being. Finally, let's visit the feeling of peace. This one doesn't rush or announce itself. It simply fills the spaces between breaths, anchoring you gently in the present moment. As you explore, remember, there is no right or wrong place for an emotion to live. You are simply becoming familiar, learning the language of your own inner world. Notice how each emotion carries its own texture, its own temperature, its own rhythm. All are part of your human wholeness. And now, allow them all to settle, like ripples returning to still water. Rest here once more within your sanctuary. Breathe deeply. Let the body feel open and calm. Silently repeat to yourself, I am aware, I am safe, I am at peace with all that I feel. Let those words sink in, grounding you in both presence and compassion. Every feeling is welcome here. Every breath returns you to balance. You are whole, just as you are. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the body. Feel your breath once more moving through your chest. Feel the ground or surface beneath you supporting your weight. Take a deep, steady inhale and exhale softly. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders if you wish. Know that your sanctuary and this awareness of emotion remain within you, always available, always waiting whenever you need to return. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying with you this feeling of calm and gentle understanding. Thank you for taking this time to pause and reconnect with yourself today. Remember, the peace and spaciousness you cultivate here are always within you, available with each breath. Until next time, be well.